eBay allows you to choose between a personal or an individual account, as it's also known, or a business account. The personal account is for casual selling, a side hustle, whilst the business account allows you to sell large majorities of products. Now, you can also register a legal business name and customize your store using an eBay business account. If you have an existing eBay personal account, you can actually change it to a business account with just a few clicks, which we'll cover. In this video, you're going to learn the differences between both a personal and a business eBay account so that you can make the right decision for you to going forward. Big news that eBay has two main types of fees. There is the eBay insertion fee and also the eBay final value fee. If you have a relatively small number of goods or choose to sell randomly, decide to and make obviously an eBay account where they can actually handle those fees. And here's why sellers with small sales volumes mainly opt for personal accounts. However, to go big and you want to sell large volumes and large quantities of products, you can register for a business account. In this way, you'll then enjoy the benefits of being an eBay business account seller, along with the benefits that you should also consider the eBay business account fees. Business sellers can choose a company name for the registration, which will obviously appear on invoices and on the account. In order to become an eligible business account user, obviously you're going to need to incorporate and utilize a business if you've not done that already. Or you can also go self-employed. So make sure that you speak to someone that can provide you with the best financial advice for your circumstance. Also, you want to keep things separate and you want to open more than one eBay account, you can register for a new business account via the eBay marketplace too. Starting selling on eBay has particular limitations over the product categories they can actually sell in. And it's done deliberately by eBay to save time in understanding the rules set by eBay. The biggest e-commerce platforms, eBay offers sellers a wide range of benefits, and it refers to multiple issues like helping sellers solve their problems via their seller resolution center and also offering discounts. To help new sellers on the marketplace and make their stock manageable, eBay maintains certain selling limits. Now, this is carried out to ensure that you store as an actual seller can provide really good customer service. To new sellers are on eBay and actually other platforms as well, because they want to ensure that you're properly meeting the customer demand. And there are cases also of failures due to the lack of accurate inventory management. As your account matures and you get more sales and your metrics are positive, eBay will actually start increasing limits, therefore meaning that you can sell more and when they obviously see you meeting customer demand. Now, eBay reviews in terms of your seller account every month and will make adjustments accordingly to the sales volume and also the customer feedback that you're receiving. But there's also an opportunity for you to apply to have those limits increased as well as you go on. So you as a seller can check your performance level by checking the seller hub or the seller dashboard within your account. Look for these 6 signs in your sales if you want to register as a business but are not sure whether or not you should right now. Want to go in hard and you are reselling. Suppose you are a reseller yourself on other platforms. You may have your own website and therefore you may be dealing with bulk listings on eBay. So getting yourself a business account is the way forward. It's manufacturer. So if you are creating your own products and then you're listing them on eBay, or you might be a big manufacturer yourself, or you might be doing private label, then getting a business account is the intelligent thing to do. It is sale quantity. So if you're a seller who deals in large quantities of sales regularly, a personal account was not going to entirely serve you. Also, registering for a business account will reduce the various fees levied on the products and the sales that you achieve, and also open multiple other pathways for your business in terms of expansion on the eBay storefront that you create. Or is selling items that are not for your personal use. Selling items that you've acquired on, so when you're selling on eBay that you've acquired for the purpose of actually selling and not for personal use, you should consider switching to a business account because it can be beneficial in the long run in terms of helping you from saving on taxes, etc. 5, you're a selling assistant. She gives you the option to sell for others if you fulfill certain selling criteria. So if you're operating as a selling assistant on eBay, it's highly advisable that you'll get yourself your own business seller account. Selling products for other businesses on eBay is also similar to selling products of your own. Having a business account means that you have the flexibility with regards to the number of listings that you'll be able to handle, or you might be asked to handle from the product owner themselves. Number 6, buying for your business. Buying items for your business as well, such as stock that you need in-house, then you should consider getting a business account. You conduct searches using keywords such as bulk, liquidation, etc. For products that you plan to sell on eBay, and it allows you to buy and resell the same on eBay with ease. Take the time right now to determine which is best for you, starting with a personal account or starting with a business account, and I'll see you in the next video.